In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart your iPhone Air using two simple methods that work every single time. Before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, and this is the easiest way by far, is by actually using Siri. Now you can actually do this by opening up your settings and then going into the Apple Intelligence and Siri settings right here, and make sure you do have Siri turned on, specifically the talk and type to Siri setting with Hey Siri actually set up. After doing so, go ahead and say something like Hey Siri, and then it's going to glow just like this, and then you would just say restart my phone and then confirm by saying yes. Obviously I turned that off for the sake of doing this video, just because that would have restarted my phone and that would have sucked. But essentially, Siri is going to automatically restart your phone when doing that, no buttons needed. Once again, this is by far the fastest method and completely safe, and it's not going to delete any of your data. But you can also do a manual restart using the buttons. Here's how you can do that. Go ahead and quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button and hold the side button until your screen goes black and that Apple logo does appear. After that Apple logo does appear, go ahead and release that side power button, and that's going to create a forced restart. It's going to shut down iOS and reload it cleanly without affecting your files or apps. If it doesn't work the first time, just repeat those steps. Sometimes it does take a couple of tries to get that timing right because you have to do it pretty quickly. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Those are two easy ways that you can restart your iPhone Air safely and quickly. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.